Welcome to the Aikido guide. I will now explain how to use this guide. As you can see, the home page has 3 menu items. We will start with individual practice. The individual practice consists of 18 different videos. These videos are showing basic kamae as well as basic tai sabaki. Let us take one example here and show a part of ikkyo happogiri. As most Aikido practitioners know, the footwork of this exercise is quite complex. We have therefore added a close-up of the footwork. Let's go back to the home page and open the main part of this program, the technical guide. You will now see a menu of attacks and techniques. You can choose between 12 attacks and 19 core techniques. Let us take an example, Katate Dori Aihanmi Sankyo. Now you will see a menu with 4 options or modes. These are Basic, Flowing Tenkan, Flowing Tenshin and Advanced. This particular attack and technique only has 3 options. Let us choose the Basic. Each technique is shown 3 to 6 times, including omote and ura. When you have finished studying the technique, you have 2 further options. One is to enter into a more detailed technical explanation of the core technique.
It's important that the forearm and the hand of the partner is as vertical as possible. It's also important to have a strong grip with the little finger and no gap with the whole hand. Then, firmly, you can grasp all the other fingers with the other hand.
Altogether, there are 344 videos of different combinations of attack, technique and mode. In addition to this, there are 19 in-depth explanations of core techniques, such as Sankyo here.
Holding the shoulder, changing the grip, still keeping the Sankyo contact.
Let's go back to the menu and take a look at the advanced mode. As you will see, compared to the basic mode with slow and solid movements, the advanced mode has a direct entering and swift movements. Let's go back to the starting point in the technical guide and choose a different attack and a different technique. Ski iriminage. Again we get 3 new options. Let's choose the flowing tenshin this time. This time we will take a closer look at tai sabaki, the way of entering into the technique.
Tenshin nagare is a flowing movement to the front of the partner.
In the technical guide, there are in-depth explanations of important tai sabaki, such as irimi, tenkan, irimi sokumen, and uchikaiten irimi, as well as tai sabaki against attack from behind. The study of tai sabaki is valuable for those who want to go behind the surface of the techniques to gain a deeper understanding.
Tenkan. Tenshin actually means to turn the body.
Now we will go back to the home page again and choose the 3rd item, the info and topics. We have several topics, such as the purpose of the Aikido guide, about Aikido, Aikido principles, as well as explanation of the 4 modes of techniques. The Aikido principles might be of particular interest for understanding how techniques are built up. The founder of Aikido, Morihei Ueshiba, introduced the 3 principles, the triangle, the circle, and the square. Each of these are explained here. We will show a little glimpse of how the combination of the 3 principles are expressed in Aikido.
Olsen said that when we enter into the sphere of the attacker, the triangular system is the leading system. Then the circular system or circle principle is used to take the partner's balance. And finally, the square system is used to finish off and control the partner. The triangle is used to yield. In the next moment, circular movement comes, and next moment, the square is expressed in the body.
Thank you very much for joining us on this introduction to the Aikido Guide. For more information, please visit our homepage www.aikidoguide.no.